So in this video we will see how to update a dictionary. So there is two method, using key and using update update method. We can update the dictionary. So I am converting into markdown. So how we can update a dictionary? Like again I am copying this dictionary to this file. Sorry. So I am copying this dictionary to this file. So this is my dictionary, has three key value pairs. This has three key value pairs. So now I want to update this dictionary using key. So as if I want to update Rohit language, Rohit, so just do this like language is English. So it will update the dictionary like this. Rohit, now see what is Rohit. Rohit is now updated, its language is English. Now we can access the language as well. So Rohit dot get English language. If it didn't find language, then print or return not known access. So it will, if it didn't find Rohit, if it didn't find language of Rohit, then it will return not known. Means this is it is convincing you to Python. So it is returning English now. So we can also update the dictionary using update method. So how to update? So in this, if we want to update a dictionary using dictionary, we want to update a dictionary in dictionary. So we use update method like this. My new dictionary is this, a age 1 and b is 2. B is 2. So I want to update this dictionary to Rohit. So how to update it? Rohit dot update and pass the new dictionary. Now it will update Rohit. So let's see what is Rohit. So Rohit have updated these values as well. So is a new dictionary updated or not? No, it is not updated because we want to update Rohit. We applied method on Rohit, so Rohit will be updated, not new. So I think this is enough for this video. In next video, we will see citizenship of a dictionary. So meet you in next one.